Hello, this video is to walk you through step 4 of your product review assignment. If you are attending school in person, you do not need to watch this video because we are doing this instruction live. This video is intended for those of you in the LSR7 online academy, or if you are absent for some reason. What I'm going to do is go ahead and read through, review what we've done, and then we're going to actually do an example, and then you're going to do one on your own. If you remember, we've already gone through the overview of the assignment. You should have brainstormed 10 different products that you might choose to review and highlighted the one that you are pretty sure you want to use. Step 4 is to read examples of product reviews. I want you to have a really good, clear idea of what you're going for by the end of this project, so you know exactly what your expectations are, and examples are a really good way to do that. So we're going to look at some examples before you move on with the writing that you're going to do. It says, read the class example of a product review, and the class example is going to be a Garmin watch, and break down the different parts of the argument. Then you're going to pick one of the others, either Facebook or Verizon flip phone. I know, those are really old person products. We on purpose picked that because we didn't want to pick a product that a 7th grader probably would want to use. So if it's in the examples, you can't use it as your topic. You're going to have to pick something different. So hopefully nobody had their heart set on writing theirs on Facebook or anything. So that you're going to read one of those independently. Again, if you're working from home, you watch the video. If you're in school, in-person learning, we're going to have paper copies of these things. If you're at home, this is a separate assignment posted in Schoology. So you open this week's folder, scroll down, it'll be the bottom assignment, and you're going to open it up. When you open it up, it's going to look like this. It's going to be an outline with boxes for you to type in. Right here is the link to the text that you're going to read. I already have one open that's kind of been enlarged. When you click on that, it'll open up. And I'm just going to read through it one time and then go back and do the analysis and figuring out that argument. Garmin GPS watch. Have you ever been curious about how many steps you take in a day, or how many miles you walk from the moment you step out of bed? Well, if this is you, you are in luck because Garmin has the best new and improved watch, Garmin GPS, to help you with all of your fitness goals. Not only does the Garmin GPS watch tell you your total daily steps, but it also keeps track of several pieces of fitness information. If you don't want your steps on the face of the watch all day, you have the choice to change it. It can show the total miles you have walked, calories you've burned, or your daily step goal. The best feature, if you are collecting times and distance for a run or walk, is for you to push the top right button. Let the watch find your location, and when it does, all you have to do is push the same button to start the watch. This will show your running, walking pace, and your distance. When done, all you have to do is push the same button to stop it. It's that easy. It even gives you an option to save your time and distance. The Garmin GPS watch is easy to charge, and it holds its charge for a long time. It's just like charging your iPhone. Plug it in right before bed and it's ready for the next day. I have run 4 miles, 8 miles, and even 13 miles, and it only loses 1 bar. I've even left it off the charger after a long distance, and it lasts throughout the entire day. The band of the watch is thick, and it can last for a while, but it will become weak and tear. If you have to replace the entire watch or just the band, if a replacement band is available for purchase. However, don't worry, my band lasted 5 years before having to replace the watch. I wore this watch every day, and when I would run, it got lots of use before tearing. I used Amazon to purchase a new watch, and it was $84.99. Plus, with Amazon shipping, I had a new watch within 2 days. Overall, the Garmin GPS watch is going to be helpful and easy to use to track your progress, your fitness goals throughout the day or just during a workout. Okay, got it. A little rough reading it the first time through, but that's what happens. So now what I need to do is go back to my outline. What is the product? That's easy. I don't even need to look back. It's a Garmin GPS watch. Claim or thesis. What is this product review arguing? I know that it's probably, Garmin GPS watch is good, but maybe I can pull it right here. Garmin has the best new and improved watch. I'm just going to copy and paste this. There we go. All right, so what is the first reason that this author gives that this is going to be the best watch for me? Not only does Garmin GPS watch tell your total steps, it keeps track of several pieces of fitness information. Okay, I remember talking about that. It keeps a lot of fitness info. This is an outline, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in outline form. So it keeps track of steps, but you can change it to show miles, calories. Okay. Keeps track of steps, miles, and calories. Best feature, times and distances for walks or run. Okay, and then it says, you just push that top right button. Okay. And I'm just going to say, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to say like this, very easy to use. Top right button. Okay, now I'm done with that paragraph. I want to look at the next one. The Garmin GPS watch is easy to charge and it holds its charge for a long time. Okay, so great charging, battery charge. And let me keep reading a little bit. So now how does she elaborate? It's easy. Okay, so say easy. Just plug it in at night. The author also mentions that examples like even through a 13-mile run holds charge. So this is just how this author has elaborated on has great charging. Okay. Only loses 1 bar, that's right. Okay, so that's elaboration. Now I'm wondering, what is that counter argument? Like what, somebody who doesn't like it. The band is thick and it can last a while, but it becomes weak and tear. Okay, so the watch band tears. Okay, and you can okay, you have to replace the entire watch or just the band. Ooh, that's bad. May need to replace the whole entire watch or the band. That's a problem. You can't use it, but what's the rebuttal to that? That's the response. However, don't worry. Okay, the band will last a long time, 5 years. And replacing a new watch is, I think, okay. So time, 5 years. Or a replacement watch is not expensive. Oopsie. I'm sorry, I messed this up. Okay, that is going to go. Okay, so this goes here. Sorry about that. Good thing I'm going to give you a copy. So that is, and then this is the original and lasts a long time. And the watch can easily be replaced. Amazon. And then it was like how much was that? Oopsie. $84.99. Okay, and then she had to, okay, overall. Okay, and so that is restating that claim, slightly different words. She did a good job with that, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste that. So that is that. Now what your job is, now you're going to have a copy of this, you're going to scroll down and you're going to pick either Facebook or the Verizon flip phone, and you're going to do the exact same thing for whichever one you choose to do. Fill out that outline, and then you're going to hit that submit button when you're done. Good luck. You know where to find me if you need help.